recently I read Gartner's report, which talks about over 70% of white collar workforce, right, is going to use some kind of a conversational technology in day-to-day their work activities, right? And that is overwhelming. That is huge. So with that as a background, I wanted to understand from city perspective or Uber perspective, or a lot of the conversations that you're having, what are you seeing in the market, right? And what are the driving forces for this technology adoption? How are you seeing the vibes in the market?
Yeah, that's a great point, because we've gone through the era of cloud first, mobile first, AI first, and we've also seen multiple mobile apps. I mean, it's literally app fatigue on the mobile side. If you think of it, somebody needs to do an action, goes from an app to app, or internally from your web portals to web portals to find an information, and you search through and you give your search criteria. That was for the past. Think of it with series of the world, and our millennials and next generation, they are not typing anything.
Yeah.
They're talking to machine, right? So the new UI is no UI. And that's where we are pouring into, is where we can speak intelligently to the machine, and machine can understand whether we do text or voice or different languages. And you see the conversation flows so seamless between the machine understanding what we are asking, able to understand the intent, extract the information out of our maybe a twist of a conversation, and be able to respond back. How easy and natural is that? Anything that is natural is what we, I think, feel as human, feel very, very comfortable. And I see this technology is trending over that. It's not a new technology, I would say. It's been there, but this technology has become enabled to us because of obviously a lot of advancement in, on the compute side, with the GPUs, TPUs, and we can basically learn, be able to process our data much faster using machine learning algorithms, deep neural networks. So there has been a lot of advancement, and I just see this is, I would say it's scaling, in multiple dimensions. It's not linear. It's not going away. This is to stay. And you would see that as this is being adopted, I think people would want to be able to talk to everything. So definitely, I would say conversational AI is, I would say, a very front end. It's a humanizing. I would say it's a, Abhijit, if you agree on, this is a humanizing aspect of AI, right?
Yeah.
Where you basically teach the machines. How interesting is that? You're teaching the machines emotions, right? If I'm a little upset, the machine detects that I'm upset, and I'm happy. The machine is like, oh, wow, Minnie, you look happy today. So can you imagine this next level, that we are making a machine, not having just binary code spit out to us, but in a very genuine way of sort of understanding what we're looking, what a human is looking for in the inquiries. So I think it's a very interesting phase that we are all living. And I'm sure 5 years from now, I guess we would, when we look back, we'll say, oh my God, we were part of this transformation.